Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News, where we dive into the latest electric vehicle trends and news that shape the future of transportation. Today, we're taking a closer look at how Volvo and Tesla are shifting their production to meet Turkey's growing demand for electric vehicles. It turns out that Turkey has become a hotspot for EV manufacturers, thanks to its unique tax incentives that make electric vehicles extremely attractive to consumers. In fact, the country offers significant discounts on special consumption tax, with EVs under 1.45 million getting a reduced rate of just 10%. That's in stark contrast to domestic producers like Renault and Fiat, which face much higher tax rates, at least 80% for traditional models. As a result, European factories are increasingly focusing production on Turkey as strong demand for electric vehicles continues to grow. Volvo has announced that it will prioritize deliveries to Turkey for its new X30 model, with most of the initial 2-month production capacity allocated specifically for the Turkish market. This move is expected to create a competitive imbalance in favor of imported EVs. Tesla isn't far behind, as its Berlin factory has also turned its attention to Turkey. The company's Model Y has opened online orders, and despite a significant surge in demand, Tesla sold out approximately 4,000 units within seconds. There's still room for more customers who want to get their hands on this popular electric vehicle. But what does this mean for the local automotive industry? Well, it's clear that Turkey's unique tax incentives have made it an attractive market for EV manufacturers. This competitive pressure is creating a challenging environment for domestic producers like Renault and Fiat, whose combustion engine models face much higher tax rates. And with no updated base price thresholds for tax brackets, making it increasingly difficult to compete with European-made EVs. As we move forward into the electric vehicle revolution, it's essential to stay informed about the latest developments that shape this rapidly evolving industry. That's what you can expect from Electro Drive News, keeping you up to date on all things electric and driving the conversation forward.